start this off, I'm just going to paint a bit of a blue sky here. Now this technique I'm actually doing it a different way this time, because normally I paint with acrylic paints. I am painting with acrylic paints, but I'm using more water this time, as you can see. Right, a bit of white there. So we're just going to start with a bit of yellow, right, and a bit of blue. What we're going to do is going to mix these up a bit so they're quite dark. Right. And we're just going to, you know, just be rough with this. Just bring it on the paper. Doesn't have to be anything fancy or anything like that. Just try to get those colours mixed, those dark colours mixed in there. All right, we're just trying to get a bit of a background feel for the grass. All right. I've got this brush here, right? This brush here. Give it a bit of a wet first. Give it a bit of a damp down first. Now, what I try to do is when I'm painting my grass, I do the darker colours first. So I make up some darker green with the blue. Right. And I just like, you know, just randomly put it on the paper. Doesn't have to be fancy or anything, just, you know, just randomly put it all around, you know. I'm just building up the layers of the grass. Right. You know, you make some long, some short, or whatever. You know. Depending on what you're doing, like, you know, and then just, you know, keep doing that. Some grasses are, you know, curly or whatever, and just put the curly bits in, and, you know, just put the, you know, whatever. They're all different bits of grass, you know. And as you do that, now you want to change the colour, right? So you want to change it to like a lighter green. So we just add a bit more yellow to that, right? We add a bit more yellow to the green. Oh, sorry, add a bit more yellow to the blue there, so we get like a lighter colour green. Right. And then we just, the same again, we just add this on. Just randomly, you know. Put it around, just randomly. Try to get a bit of feel for it there. Okay, so now like you can just add a few little, you know, different ones there, you know, like on the top there, up there or whatever, and a couple there, you know. So now we've got a different shade of grass there. So when you look at grass, sometimes you get some white bits of grass as well, right? Add a little bit of white to that as well, to the yellow. So then we get some different, you know, shades of grass as well. So when you look at grass, normally the lighter colours are up the top, alright? So you just add them up the top. Don't be too fussy, just, you know, just the random strokes of the brush. You know. Now we're looking alright. So now that we've put a few there on like that, I'm just going to come back and add a couple of darker ones to it. Alright. Sometimes you might see a bit of blue in the grass, you know. Yeah, might get them going the other way, and you know, that. Painting's about randomness, so you know. We'll peel off the paper and have a quick look and see what it looks like. What do you think? There you go, people. Tell me what you think in the comments, and let me know what you think about my grass. If you think it looks like grass or what, you know. Please subscribe. I'll see you all later.